Welcome to the NoStressTrader platform. What if you could trade without stress, without analysis, and without staring at a chart all day? Most traders lose because of emotional trading, overtrading, lack of strategy. The NoStressTrader is not a signal platform. It is an AI-powered system that trades based on logic, data, and automations. That's to say, no emotions, no guessing. It's fully systematic. In this series, I will show you how to create an account, how to lock in your existing account, how to set up our AIs, how to manage risks, and how to maximize profit. In this same series, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about how our NoStressTrader platform works, how it's been step by step, and I will walk you through all essential menu so that you can maximize and confidently use this tool to make profit both on your PCs and your smartphone. As a new user, this is what you're going to see when you logged into the website NoStressTrader.com. For those who don't have trading account with the brokerage firm we are going to be using, you are simply just going to click on the Create Trading Account, and it's going to take you straight to the website of the brokerage firm. For those who already have trading accounts with the brokerage firm, you are simply just going to click on Authenticate Existing Account. That's what I'm going to do right now. So when you click on Authenticate Trading Account, like I just did, you're going to have this dashboard, which says Approve Application. You're simply just going to click on Continue to NoStressTrader. Once that's done, just give a few seconds for the platform to lock in your account, and that is the platform. Now, when you log into the NoStressTrader platform as a beginner, this is the interface you're going to see. All of these tabs here are current videos where we're going to be guiding you on how to use the platform without errors. So make sure you watch every video you see on the platform. And if this is making more sense to you, please click on the subscribe button and share the video so that other people can also make use of it. So, when you log into the platform as a new user, this is what you're going to see. Next is, you're going to look at the top right of the screen. You're going to see exactly the account type that is being used. Now, this is a real account with $266.6 in. If you click on this arrow button down, you're going to see that you also have many other real accounts. And you can also log in your demo account to maybe practice to know exactly how to use a platform before you go in with your real money, okay? Now, if you look at the right of the screen, you're going to see a display which says Active Traders 667, Active Bots 6 bot, and top traders. You're going to see their names. If you're going to be one of our top traders on the platform, your name is going to appear at this panel here. So let's go over here. If you look at the top left of the screen, you're going to see there's a deposit option there for you who want to deposit and trade with our platform. If you click on the deposit icon, it's going to take you to the brokerage form that we use, and it's going to open up the deposit panel for you to actually just go through. You can deposit using crypto. You can deposit using other methods, which are also going to be seen once you click on this button. So right here we have the trade. This is where we are most interested, right? When you click on the trade, the platform opens this portal for you, right? Good. On the left, you have access to all our artificial intelligence tools, right? I'm going to explain to you how this works. Now, we have 6 artificial intelligence, and all of them we're going to cover up in the series ahead. So make sure you come back to this platform to always get updates on exactly how the robots work and how exactly you should use the platform without errors. So right here we have the market. When you click on the market, you're going to have access to all the markets that you can use our robotics to trade on, okay? Have Volatility 100 right down to the Jones and the bull market. So whatever you choose to trade is what the robot is going to trade on, okay? So when we click here, for instance, if we take Volatility 10, which is already here, right? Now, if you go down to strategy, you're going to see our AI robot. Strategies here means our AI robots. We have 6 in number from AI to the 1 right down to AI to the 6. Now, we went to do this in different series. We're going to cover this in different series, so that you get to know exactly how all our 6 AI robots work, okay? So that's that. You choose whatever AI robot you want to use. We're going to take robot 3, for example. And if you go down slightly below that, you have the trading mode. For trading mode, we have 3 trading modes. If you click here, you're going to have the accurate mode, which says less trade, more accuracy. The second is the balance mode, which says trade and accuracy balance. That's a 50-50, right? And now you have the faster mode, which says more trade, less accuracy. For those who like high risks, this is for you. For those who like to be consistent, this accuracy mode is highly recommended for every user. Okay, so I'm going to select accuracy mode, and slightly below it, you're going to have these other settings. Here, for initial amount, it's a lot size, like we trade on MT5. Let's see, we want to use a 0.5 lot size, okay? And we want to use a profit target. We're aiming to make $5. Or, yeah, let's see. Were to make 1% of this account is at $3.6, right? That's if here 0.98% of our account. Okay? And if you come here to stop loss, now stop loss has 2 settings, so slightly below, slightly after the stop loss here, you have the setting icon. Click on the setting icon, and it's going to take you right here. When you come here and you click here, you're going to have 2 options. Use stop loss value and use number of losses in sequence. So you're highly recommended to use the number of losses in sequence, because this is the best of risk management we have on this platform. So let's say here we put, let's say if the robot takes 10 trades and loses all the 10 trades, you're going to be losing $21.31, right? But this is very difficult to happen. Yes, it can happen sometimes if you choose a bad market, okay? So we are aiming to make 0.14% per trade, and we're aiming to cover $3.6. That's almost 1% of our account balance, which is 366.6, right? So that's it. If the robot takes 10 trades in a loss, okay, in a sequence means if we take number 1 trade, he loses it, then number 2 reacts number 10, and he wins none of them, the market is going to plus for you, and you're going to lose $21.31, right? If you go right down again, you're going to see our risk management plan. If you click on that, you're going to see that we have 4 risk management plans. First, we have the fixed amount, and recommended balance is $10. We have the conservative risk management plan, which the recommended balance is 50. We have the optima, which is the minimum, the medium risk, and then we have the aggressive, which is the highest risk. Now, each of them have the account balances that you should definitely try to have to use it, okay? So we're going to use conservative, which is the best and highly recommended for every user, and this is the most profitable, okay? Now, if we have done all this here at the left, the next thing you need to do is just to click on your start robot, and robot 3 is in action. Here you have the settings of whatever you did. Initial amount, that's your lot size, 0.5 lot. Targeted profit, $3.6. The stop loss, 10 trades in a sequence, right? The market we choose, Volatility 10 index. The strategy, that's the AI robot 3. And the mode is accurate, and the risk management is conservative, right? So the robot is not scanning the market, and once opportunity is seen, the robot is going to execute a trade, close it in profit or close it in a loss for you. So that's all you have to do right here, okay? So at the center, you're going to have this panel. This panel is the same like the trading view. For those who know trading view, use this panel to analyze the market to see whatever opportunity you want to do, whatever you want to trade. This is Volatility 10, and you have it here on the 5 minute. Whether you can change to the 1 minute, or you can even click here to see other time frames. Like those who like to trade on the 4-hour time frames, you can just click on 4-hour. And this is going to display the 4-hour chart for you. You can simply just do your analysis here, right? Your analysis, and then you choose the market to trade. As simple as that. Okay, as well as you can still use MT5 to do analysis, and then you come over here, select the pair, you did analyze, and you let the robot do it for you, okay? So I'm going to leave the robot running for now, and we're going to go to right off the screen. At the right, at the right, this is where you choose to trade manually, okay? And this is for those who have mastered how to trade manually. If you don't have a mastery of how to trade options manually, please don't risk your hard-earned money, okay? This is for those who have a mastery of it. So you can learn these along the journey, okay? You can learn this while you are using a robot to trade. When you have a proper mastery of it, then you can simply just come over and use the manual mode option, okay? So this is all about Series 1 of the NoStressTrader platform. So if you did find this helpful, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that each time we update, you guys are going to get notified by YouTube, and you are definitely just going to come over here, make use of whatever we update. Thank you, and see you in the next series.